Hey everyone, welcome to devverse. Big news in the developer world, everyone. Anthropic, the company behind Claude AI and the AI coding tools, has officially acquired Bun, the ultra fast JavaScript runtime, right? And this is Anthropic's first acquisition ever, and it could completely reshape how JavaScript and AI development works. So, in this video, we are breaking down what is this acquisition means, why Anthropic bought Bun, how it will affect JavaScript, AI-powered coding, and Node.js mainly, right? And what's the next for the broader AI-driven software development ecosystem, right? So let's jump right in and watch the video till the end so that you will be, able to understand what I'm talking about in this one. So first, what exactly is Bun? Bun is a high performance JavaScript and TypeScript runtime, right? That is recently, or you can say it has been 1 or 2 years it has been launched. Bun, but unlike Node.js, Bun isn't just a runtime. It is also a package manager, a bundler, a test runner, a fast deploy environment, right? All bundled together in one tool. Developers love Bun because it's fast and largely compatible with most of the Node.js projects, right? Imagine Node, NPM, Yarn, Webpack, Jest, all combined into one but optimized for performance and speed. So this is what Bun is, right? Now, why does Bun matter to Anthropic? Anthropic is behind Claude Code, their AI-powered coding assistant, right? Um, Claude Code generates, debugs, tests, and executes code. For it to work well, especially at scale, it needs a super fast and reliable runtime. So they acquired Bun. Why Bun? Because Bun is much faster than Node.js, right? The critical detail is Claude Code shipped as a Bun executable recently, right? If Bun breaks, Claude Code breaks. That makes Bun not just a convenience, but a core piece of infrastructure for Anthropic's AI development tooling, right? But there's more to the story. Anthropic is not just a small company. Earlier in 2025, they raised a huge funding around $13 billion in Series F, giving them a post money valuation about $183 billion, right? That massive capital raise shows how much confidence investors have in Anthropic's direction, especially their push into enterprise AI developer tools and global expansion, right? In short, Bun isn't being acquired by a small startup, it's being adopted into a powerhouse class AI company backed by deep funding and ambition. This increases the odds that Bun will get real resources, long term support, and rapid development. Owning Bun means Anthropic controls the full stack, from code generation to execution. So, this acquisition isn't just about speed, it's about where software engineering is heading right now. So that's why I'm saying, vibe coding is very important. Start using efficient AI tools. I'll say, I will create a video on that, what the things I have built recently and what you can do about it, right? We'll discuss in for that video. So let's move further, right? So for developers, what does this all mean, right? If you are a developer, what is the meaning of all these things, right? Bun now has deep financial and engineering backing, likely more stability and faster improvements. Future powered future AI powered dev tools, basically, from Claude Code and beyond, may be tightly integrated with Bun, meaning better performance, smoother workflows, and more AI native tooling. All right. For new projects, let's say, especially those that may leverage AI generation and tooling, right? Bun might quickly become the go-to, JavaScript TypeScript runtime, right? But at the same time, Bun remains open source and MIT licensed, so it's not closed, like a proprietary runtime. It's open source still now. So the main question is, what will happen to Node.js, right? This is a $1 million question, right? First thing, Node.js isn't going anywhere. Node.js remains the backbone, the backend backbone of countless production application across the web. It's mature, stable, and deeply embedded in enterprise and large scale systems. Second, innovation dynamics are changing, right? With Bun backed by Anthropic's deep pockets and strategic focus, Bun may evolve faster and become more optimized for AI native workflows, right? Competition might push Node.js to adopt improvements. Maybe, maybe not. Depends. I don't think so. It will, but let's see, right? Historically, new contenders push increments to evolve, right? And with Bun in the ring, Node.js might see renewed pressure to improve performance, developer experience, and may even build in more integrated tooling, raising the bar for both, right? Now, like it depends. For like, to be honest, I'm not sure about Node.js, but I'm currently using Bun. It's really good. Let's see what Node.js does, right, and what it do. Node.js isn't dead, but may but Bun may become the preferred runtime for the next generation of AI-powered high-velocity software development, right? And I guess this is the time for you to start evolving yourself. You need the knowledge of your base coding, but at the same time you should start vibe coding, and shifting towards Bun. I have been using Bun. It has been more than 1 year, and it's nice, to be honest, right? But yeah, there are some projects where I cannot rely on Bun environment. I need to go back to npm, and npm is still works at that point. So it depends on the project and the requirement that you need, right? So this acquisition is more than a buy, right? It marks the start of a big shift in how software, especially JavaScript and TypeScript software, gets built, right? And Anthropic gets a runtime optimized for AI, Bun gets resources and stability, and developers get chance to ride the wave of AI native development. It's very good for us, right? That these things are happening right nowadays. And Node.js, right? Basically, the what you can say, the stalwart of server side JavaScript, right, gets healthy competition, which is great for the ecosystem, right? And what do you think? Will you start new projects with Bun or with vibe coding, like stick with Node.js for stability and stuff, or wait and watch where AI native tooling leads to, right? Let me know in the comments if you found this useful. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you everyone. Thank you so much.